You guys, good morning. We need to start our work right now. And this is the level. What is floor? It is ano ba ito? 9. This is a level 9, and we're going to go to below level 8. So let's go. Ha? Hindi, ako na. It's only a 1 kilo only. That's why I need a one hand only. You know that? Okay. We're leaving now the level 9. Goodbye level 9 and welcome to level 8. Okay, level 8 na tayo. Pasok na natin.
Okay, alright. Alright, okay.
So, yung box na yan yung bubuksan natin. Yan. Nandiyan nakatago yung module ng dumper para sa third party. We're going to terminate terminate the module from our module to third party. Tama ba yun? And I think we need to start. So, goodbye. If this video is dumaan sa wall mo, naubusan ako.
Bakit ka tabon?
Paki-like na lang at share. Thank you.